This is a weBoost Drive AM100 Pro cell phone signal booster. Standard in the box, you get this small shark fin style antenna. This is the outside antenna that mounts outside of your car, either on the roof or somewhere. However, Bolton does also supply with this longer, bit more rugged, more dB gain antenna. So this one goes also on the outside, and you can either have it with a spring, you've got a quick release system you can attach, and then you also have various mounting options, like you get a bracket, and then there's also these tilt brackets. I've pre-assembled some of these things to make it easier. So let's get and bolt this onto the bed rack. Now there's a reason why I mounted it here. As you can see, it's very easy to mount. I've already ran the wiring. You just plug it in right here, and there's another plug point on the inside we'll get to now. But the reason I have it here is then I can safely just tilt it down when I'm not using it right here, and then it is protected by the recovery tracks over here. Finally, to install the device on the inside, it is as easy as 3 cables. You've got your 12-volt cable, which is your power supply. It just plugs into your lighter socket, and at the lighter socket there is an on-off switch enabled to put the device on and off. Then you've got an inside and an outside antenna. The outside antenna receives the signal, it sends it to this device amplifies the signal, and then your inside antenna is the small little square box that sends the signal to your phone or within the vicinity of where you generally sit. The trick is to keep the inside and the outside antenna separate from one another, otherwise the signal can oscillate. But other than that, you plug in the 3 cables, you put your device somewhere safe, like under the seat in my case, and you are done.